Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. Today I'm going to make banana chocolate smoothie. So without any further delay, let's get started. First of all, I'm going to take one medium-sized banana and I'm going to add in a grinder jug. With that, I'm going to add full fat milk, about 1 cup. And after adding it, we are going to move towards the next ingredient. I'm adding cocoa powder, about 1 tablespoon. And with that, I'm going to add sugar, 2 tablespoons. You can increase or decrease the amount of sugar according to your taste. And I'm going to add peanut butter, about 1 tablespoon. It's really a refreshing drink and you're absolutely going to love it. With that, I've added cinnamon and I've added ice cubes. You can add it according to your requirement. And we are going to blend all these ingredients on high speed. While I'm blending it, why don't you just go and hit the subscribe button. Once you're gonna hit the subscribe button, you will see a bell icon. Hit it and you will be updated by my latest videos on the first go. Now, after blending all these ingredients quite well, we will take a glass and we are going to add this mixture in the glass. First of all, I'm going to spread some of the chocolate syrup around this glass for garnishing or maybe for giving it a better look. And after applying this liquid on the side of glass, we are going to add the mixture and you can say the banana chocolate shake in it. And this tastes so good and it is really a refreshing drink. So this banana chocolate shake is ready and you can drink it and serve it in front of your guests and let me know whether you like it or not. If you really like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and your family. Till then, goodbye, see you in the next video and subscribe. And thanks for watching.